Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how simple it is to install and configure the Salesforce app in BoldDesk. You'll also learn how to view Salesforce information in BoldDesk. Salesforce integration enables support teams to view customer-centric data in BoldDesk. Let's see how to install and configure the Salesforce app. Log in to your BoldDesk account as an administrator. First, navigate to the Admin module and click Marketplace, which will direct you to the Marketplace page. There, you will find the Salesforce app and the supported third-party apps listed. Select the Salesforce app and click Install. The Salesforce website will be loaded to enter the Salesforce credentials. Here, provide the Salesforce administrator username and password, and then click the Login option. The verification code will be sent to the registered email address. Enter the code and click the Verify button. A screen will appear requesting access to the Salesforce configuration page. Click Allow to open the Salesforce configuration dialog window. The next step is to configure field visibility in the Salesforce app. Here are Salesforce objects like Contact, Lead, Account, and Opportunity. Select the required fields for each Salesforce object to be viewed only in a ticket details page. A maximum of 10 fields can be selected for each object. Then, click Next. Now, I will show you how to set up the Salesforce app permission. Depending on the role permission, the Salesforce app will display differently in BoldDesk. You can set the app visibility either to all or specific roles. Additionally, you may choose the target module or modules from which to view the Salesforce data. Then, click Save to save the configuration. After the Salesforce app is installed, it will appear in the My Apps page. Next, let me show you how to manage the added Salesforce app. Here, you can edit, activate if deactivated, deactivate and uninstall. Finally, let's look at how to view Salesforce data in BoldDesk. Depending on the target modules chosen when configuring the Salesforce app, the ticket requester information from the Salesforce is displayed on the ticket details page when they are matched with an email address. To view Salesforce information on a ticket, go to the Related Ticket Details page and click Apps option in the left sidebar. Then, open the Salesforce app and select the appropriate tab to view the data related to that Salesforce object. In summary, I have shown you how to install and configure the Salesforce app with BoldDesk. I also explained how to manage the added Salesforce app and how to view Salesforce information. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.